Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Jaguar F Pace to internet. Start by checking the vehicle has a SIM or supports Wi-Fi hotspot, then enable connectivity in settings. Keep your phone handy to pair via Bluetooth or to join the F Pace hotspot, and have your Wi-Fi password ready. If you plan to use a mobile hotspot, test signal strength and data allowance before streaming or downloading large files. To connect via Bluetooth, open the F Pace infotainment settings and select Add Device. Put your phone in discoverable mode, choose Jaguar from the list, and confirm the pairing code shown on both screens. Grant permissions for media and phone access if you want hands-free calling and audio streaming. Remember, Bluetooth can share internet only with supporting phones, so switch to Wi-Fi hotspot if you need full internet access for apps and navigation. To use the vehicle Wi-Fi, enable the hotspot in the F Pace connectivity menu and create a secure password. On your phone or tablet, find the Jaguar network name, enter the password, and confirm the connection. Check the vehicle data plan limits to avoid unexpected charges, and consider tethering to your phone if you prefer to use your personal data. Reboot the infotainment system if connections fail, then retry pairing or joining the hotspot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.